Hi! And we are about to go up many, many stairs. Are we excited? Yes, okay, let's do it. From Yosu, if you head south, cross the bridge to the island called Tolsando, and then keep driving for about 40 minutes, you'll come to the hermitage called Hyangiram down at the southern tip. There are buses that go there, but we were glad to have our rental car.
Okay. Okay.
Everybody's all done?
Neck here. Okay, party is...
It's up, you see where it says Hwajangshu 50 meters? I think we have to go up a bit. Okay. Do you need hand holding? Here, you take him and I'll, okay, go ahead. Here we go.
Andy, come on up the stairs.
Are those coins supposed to be there?
They stick them in interesting ways.
There. There must be like 600 steps in this whole thing.
More stairs. So many stairs.
If not to drop any things over the edge.
That would be bad.
Look, you can't right there.
Kitty! Oh! Yeah.
It's kind of dark in here.
Yep, the rocks.
It got darker, but the camera is compensating. So it means it's like making it lighter. So here we are.
Oh, I love this.
There's like the cleft. I've seen lots of pictures of this.
Go.
This is good for skinny people.
Well, I'm some.
See if you can make it from this part, Dad.
Ooh, I've got my shoulders in.
Oh my goodness, it gets very thin here.
Very cool.
Yeah, I think some people might have a hard time getting through here.
People, you pay the toll as they're walking up.
There is another way up along there's like a regular road that winds up the side of the mountain, so you don't have to go through there.
Hey, Mama. Come on.
Hi!
Still climbing, haven't fallen down yet.
Good. And I think this is the last stretch. Looks like a temple building up there.
They have necklaces.
Do they? Hyangiram is on a cliff overlooking the ocean. The main hall and the bell pavilion caught fire in 2009 and burned down and have since been rebuilt. The hermitage is run by Buddhist nuns and is dedicated to Kwanum Bosal, the Bodhisattva of compassion. There's a turtle theme repeated throughout the hermitage, since the mountain it's on is said to look like a turtle. Once you make it up the cliff, there are other nooks and crannies to go through to get to other parts of the hermitage. The path to the Hall of Guanam winds farther up the mountain.
Love this place.
Isn't it? It's really the kind of thing you remember. Kate! Kate, come look!
Zodiac.
That's awesome. You try to throw a coin and hit, your sign.
I want to do that. Well, it went the wrong way.
Didn't get the monkey?
What?
Didn't get the monkey?
It went the other way.
You mean it didn't land on anything?
Yeah.
I might have something. Let's see. You got anything else, Doug? Kate wants to try again.
I got the rooster.
He got the rooster.
Missed the snake. It didn't bounce.
Uh-huh. Oh, they're labeled. So, horangi, toki.
It keeps going the wrong way.
The name Hyangiram means toward the sun. Since Hyangiram overlooks the ocean facing south, it's known as a good place to watch the sunrise and sunset. We didn't get much of a sunset that night, but it was still really pretty. So there's Kate overlooking the ocean. You can see the boats in the distance. It's cooling down and it's getting dark and I am still sweaty. The lights are coming on, it's really pretty. So what did you think about Hyangiram?
Really nice architect and painting. I like the statues and the smell of wax.
The smell of wax, yeah.
Yeah, because it's right there.
Okay, yeah, we should go.
And Bobby.
All right, Sissy. Pore. She was excited to see the dragon on top of the bell. That was fun. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go because it's getting dark.
Let's put it.
Pore. Okay, say bye-bye. Oh, an American corn.
No,
Oh,
not like it.
oh, the back one. Okay, I thought you said it wasn't there.
Well, I didn't hit it. Thanks for watching.